देख रहे हो विनोद, किस तरह जिन योजनाओं का दिल्ली में कोई वजूद ही नहीं है।
यहाँ की हवा बता रही है कि केजरीवाल ने बहुत काम किए हैं।
None of these videos is real. They are deepfakes made using artificial intelligence. It has become one of the favorite tools on social media for political parties to settle scores. Case in point, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party, who are using AI to take on each other ahead of the Delhi elections. They're using deepfakes, voice dubbing, and morphed clips as part of their online campaigns. Deepfakes are highly realistic images, audio, and video that can mimic real human features and behaviors. This technology manipulates existing media to create something new, which often cannot be distinguished from reality.
मैंने अभी एक वीडियो देखा जिसमें मैं गरबे गा रहा हूँ और मैं खुद भी देख रहा क्या बढ़िया बनाया है।
Deepfakes and AI-generated content were also shared by different parties in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi raised concerns over misuse of deepfakes.
डीप के कारण जो एक नया संकट आ रहा है, भारत का बहुत बड़ा वर्ग ऐसा है कि उसके पास वेरिफिकेशन के लिए या ऑथेंटिफाई करने के लिए कोई उसके पास पैरेलल व्यवस्था नहीं है।
In May 2024, the Election Commission issued a written advice to all recognized parties asking them not to use such content since it can be shared in the multitude and contribute to misleading information on social media and could wrongfully sway voter opinions. But ahead of the Delhi election, two front runners, BJP and AAP, used AI-generated content to battle it out. The BJP Delhi handle posted this morphed clip of the web series Panchayat on Twitter or X with the caption, "This is a huge fraud." In the bottom left corner, they specified that it's a spoof. In the clip, two characters from the web series are alleging that the Aam Aadmi Party is collecting people's personal information in the name of schemes that don't exist. The actual scene has the dialogue,
देख रहा है विनोद,
which became one of the most memed moments from Panchayat. In it, the two characters are discussing the construction of roads and toilets in their village. The Aam Aadmi Party also used characters from Panchayat to jump on a social media trend and list out their welfare measures. For this spoof, they used the dubbing method.
Of course, हम लोग दिल्ली से हैं, हमारे यहाँ बिजली का बिल नहीं आता।
The party used AI on the scene from the 1993 movie Waqt Hamara Hai, where they morphed the faces of villains to make them seem like Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdev.
दिल्ली में गुंडा राज लाकर कानून व्यवस्था तो बर्बाद कर ही दी है। अमित शाह जी, आपके कहे अनुसार हम नोट देकर वोट खरीद रहे हैं।
BJP posted another AI-generated video where they showed Delhi Chief Minister Atishi and Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal talking about vote bank politics.
फर्जी वादों से 10 साल से सत्ता में हैं और ये लोग हर बार झांसे में आ ही जाते हैं।
पुजारी हो, मौलाना हो या सिख ग्रंथी, ये सब हमारे लिए तो बस सत्ता तक पहुंचने के मोहरे हैं।
Not just their faces, but their voices also appeared similar to the real-life voices of the two politicians. The Aam Aadmi Party again altered a movie scene, this time Dil Jale. Here, they turned Ajay Devgan into Home Minister Amit Shah.
केजरीवाल ने काम करके दिखाया है और तुमने सिर्फ गालियां दी हैं, गालियां।
This time, they used AI to generate visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a palatial house and assigned prices to the different things in there, such as the chandelier, his shoes, and private jet. So far, India doesn't have a specific law to deal with the ever-increasing usage of AI or deepfakes to disseminate information. In July 2024, Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnav had said the government was working on legislation to contain the risks related to artificial intelligence. But parties and people could find recourse under different sections of existing laws, such as Anil Kapoor, who moved to the Delhi High Court to seek protection against his AI-generated persona being used without permission for commercial gains. The High Court had passed an order restraining the unauthorized use of Anil Kapoor's name, image, voice, and other personality traits for commercial gains. While the Election Commission had not yet reacted to the use of AI-generated content in the Delhi election season, we'd have to wait and watch if parties are pulled up again.